Today we are going to discuss about hybridization. But in our previous lecture we discussed about valence bond theory and sigma bond and pi bonds. So what is sigma bond? Sigma bond is a form of end-to-end overlap of any of one combination orbital, right? And this is overlapping is result in a strong covalent bond. For example, 1s and 2s end-to-end overlap and gives sigma bonds, right? What is pi bond? Pi bond is a sideway or lateral overlap between two p orbitals and which have their lobes perpendicular of the axis, right? You all know. But now in a valence bond does not talk about any sap particularly. So now you think that we had a Lewis structure that gave a dot-like structure, right? But today we will understand what does hybridizations mean exactly. So in order to get in hybridization, let's take an example straight away. For I have an example of CH4, right? Methane. Using these molecules, I will tell you about what is hybridization. Now everyone remembers that now everyone remember that CH4 have a in a tetrahedral shape, right? You know કે CH4 નો જે shape હોય છે મિથેન નો shape એ કેવો હોય છે tetrahedral, right? એટલે કે 4. So now tell me what is the conjugations of carbon. આમાં કાર્બન ની ઇલેક્ટ્રોન રચના શું છે? What is the conjugation What is the configuration of carbon? So carbon 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2 and his atomic number is 6, you all know, right? So now let us do in the box so that we are understanding better. So carbon that we have electrons, right? And what are the electrons over here? 1s2 is 2 electron, 2s2 in 2 electron and 2p 2 electron. Why I put this electron, why I don't put this electron here? Because of the rules. There are 3 rules: Haber, Pauli and Moore's rule that I told you in our first lecture that what are the 3 rules, right? So now, what are the vacant space? Let's find out the vacant space. What are the vacant space here? One vacant space is here, 1 is here and 2 is here, right? There is a 4 vacant space here. You can see, right? Here 2 electrons in a pairing, here 2 electrons is pairing, but here 2 electrons are unpaired and Pz is vacant. Px, Py and Pz. Px have a 1 unpaired electron, Py have a 1 unpaired electron and Pz is fully empty, right? So now the thing is I have a 4 vacant space and 4 bond we make. We have 4 vacant space, so we make 4 bond easily, right? But how can't get in H in a PZ? But આપણે અહીંયા બે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન PZ માં નહીં મૂકી શકીએ, right? So it doesn't make a sense. So instead what we'll do, તો આના બદલે આપણે શું કરી શકીએ? So this is the electron configuration of ground state. You all know this is the configuration of ground state. Now we will put in excited state. So the electron configuration of excited state. So this electron is 1s, 2, this is 2s2, and this is 2p, right? So 1 electron, 1 electron, 1 and 1. So this electron get promoted into pz orbitals, right? Here 2 electrons change, barabar. So now all this vacancy here, I can give one hydrogen, one electron from hydrogen to make the bond, right? એટલે કે અહીંયા જેટલી બી વેકેન્ટ છે, એક અહીંયા 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 અને અહીંયા અહીંયા હું હાઇડ્રોજનનો એક ઇલેક્ટ્રોન આપી અને શું બનાવી દઉં, બોન્ડ બનાવી દઉં. તો શું બોન્ડ બનશે? એચ અહીંયા બોન્ડ બનાવશે, રાઈટ? પોતાનો એક ઇલેક્ટ્રોન આપીને. સો એચ કેન bring one electron and get paired, and you will have a bond. So now we will judge the shape. What is the shape? Very smart American scientist that he said that in order to make a bond is really something interesting, right? કે કેવી રીતે બોન્ડ બનવું છે એ કંઈક ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ વાત છે. So he said carbon will make better bond with hybrid orbitals, right? What he said, carbon will make better bond with hybrid orbitals. So I would like to tell you at that point, the hybrid is just a theoretical analysis, right? This is the only theoretically analysis. A molecule itself doesn't know that it is hybrid, right? That CH4 doesn't know this is a hybrid molecules or hybrid orbitals, right? So hybrid that means, what is the hybrid? Hybrid that means nothing but mixing of atomic orbitals, right? So if 2s plus 2p, here it gives a 2s plus 2px plus 2py plus 2pz. Out of these you will get 4 hybrid orbitals, right? So why we make this? Because we just judge the shape eventually, right? કે આપણે shape જોઈએ છે આનો. Understand what I tell you? So it have some properties, like some shape, the hybrid orbitals have a same shape and same energy. એટલે કે જે હાઇબ્રિડ ઓર્બિટલ્સ બનશે એને કઈ કહેવાય? શેપ સેમ હશે અને એનર્જી બી એની સેમ હશે, રાઈટ? ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, હિયર 1H, 1H, 1H and 1H. That carbon have a 4 bonds with hydrogen, right? So in hybridization, 1 s orbital and 3 p orbitals. So in CH4 we get sp3 hybridization. Why? Because એક S અને 3 P બોન્ડ બનવામાં ભાગ લે છે, રાઈટ? તો આમાં કયું હાઇબ્રિડાઇઝેશન જોવા મળશે? sp3 હાઇબ્રિડાઇઝેશન જોવા મળશે. Understand? What is hybridization? Hybridization is nothing but the process of mixing and redistribution of atomic orbitals of the same energy and symmetry to form a new set of orbitals. Now what is the definition of hybridization? The definition of hybridization is the process of mixed and redistribution of atomic orbitals of same energy and symmetry to form new set of orbitals, right? So this is the definition. The process of mixing and redistribution, એટલે કે મિક્સ કરવું ઓર્બિટલને લાઈક S પ્લસ P and એને બોન્ડ બનાવવા માટે એના ઇલેક્ટ્રોનના રીડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન કરવા, રાઈટ, ઇન ધ એટોમિક ઓર્બિટલ, અને સેમ એનર્જી અને સેમ સિમેટ્રીવાળી નવી હાઇબ્રિડ ઓર્બિટલ જનરેટ થાય તો એને આપણે શું કહી શકીએ? હાઇબ્રિડાઇઝેશન, રાઈટ. સો આપણે જોયું કે મિથેન consist 4 equivalent bonds arranged about the carbon atom at the center in a manner that all the angles between carbon and hydrogen are equal, એટલે કે કાર્બન અને હાઇડ્રોજનના જે એંગલ હોય ઇક્વલ હોય, and its value is 109 degree and 28, and the geometrical arrangement which fulfills these requirements in a tetrahedron. So in a CH4 આનો શેપ કેવો હશે? ટેટ્રાહાઇડ્રન. Like therefore C અહીંયા હશે વચ્ચે, here H and H. So this is called tetrahedron, રાઈટ. આવી રીતે એનો શેપ આપણને જોવા મળશે. લાઈક મોલેક્યુલમાં જોઈએ આપણે મોલેક્યુલ તરીકે એક ઓર્બિટલ આવી રીતે, રાઈટ, એક આવી રીતે, અને ધીસ વન લાઈક ધીસ. So this angle, I would like to say this angle is 109 degree and 28. This is the structure of methane. The equivalent of 4 bonds can be explained by assuming the available orbitals of carbon, and the 2s and 2p orbitals are intermixed of hybrid in a manner of result 4 equivalent orbitals which are oriented toward the 4 corners, right, in like a regular tetrahedron. And this mixing of atomic orbitals to give an equal number of symmetrically oriented orbitals to equal energy and referred as a hybridization. But the carbon in this case said sp3 hybridized, and carbon hydrogen bonds are referred to as a hybrid bonds. So this is the sp3 hybridization, right? This is called sp3 hybridizations. Now we have a different type of hybridization, like sp type of hybridization, sp3, sp2. First one is a sp hybridizations. In case of sp hybridizations, we have a 1s plus 1p orbitals, right? This is the hybrid orbitals are named after the parent orbitals, એટલે કે એની parent orbitals પ્રમાણે આપણે એને નામ આપ્યા છે, right? For example, sp2 એટલે આવી રીતે હોઈ શકે, આ sp, right? Mixing. Now if we have a 1, then 1s plus 2p, sp3, 1s plus 2px, 2py plus 2pz. Fourth, if we have a sp3d, then 1s plus 2px plus 2py plus 2pz plus d, right? 3d. Fifth one is sp3d2, like this same, right? Here sp2 હોય તો 1, 2 and 3. So 1 sp2, sp2 and sp2. Here like this, here like this. So these are the type of hybridization we are going to learn. Now we have a first type of hybridization, that is called sp hybridization, or you can say diagonal hybridization. And the shape of we can example of beryllium fluorides, right? So in sp hybridization, 1s plus 1p, right? So now electron configuration of beryllium. What is the electron configuration of beryllium Be? For example, we can take beryllium fluoride, right? So what is the electron configuration in a ground state of beryllium is, in a ground state, 1s2 2s2. One of 2s electron gets promoted to next available empty orbitals, right? For example, let's look like in a ground state. Here 2 electrons, here 2 electrons, and 2p is fully empty, right? So in excited state, this electron get promoted into next empty orbitals. For example, 2p x, right? 2py, 2pz is there is 2. So this electron will get into this 2p x orbital, right? And forms f atoms. Beryllium atom is BeF2. BeF2, right? Here we have a 2 empty vacant space, right? One is here and one is here. So this fluorine gets bonded here. Beryllium in excited state, so it's look like this, right? So these are the electrons from F atom, beryllium atom in BeF2. So now there are 2 half-filled orbitals, each having single unpaired electrons, right? These have a two half-filled orbitals, એટલે કે એની પાસે એક જ શું કહેવાય ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ છે, એટલે એને શું કહી શકીએ આપણે, half-filled orbitals, and each having single unpaired electrons, but they belong to different orbitals, right? So one belong to S, એટલે કે એક S માં belong કરે છે and other to P માં belong કરે છે, right? So therefore to get equivalent bonds, these 2 orbitals hybridize and gets mixed to form a new equivalent orbitals, each of which has a half H and half P. So in this case I can explain by theoretically also. So if you have a basic idea, right? So there are 2 half-filled orbital, each having single electron. Single electron, right? But they belong to 2 different orbitals. One belong to S, one belong to S, and other to P, right? So in this case, 1s and 1p orbitals are involved to hybridize orbital. Now in above case, 1s and 1p orbitals are involved to form hybridized orbitals, and this type of hybridization is called sp hybridizations, right? And the hybrid orbitals are oriented at a single at 120 degree. Now what are the shape of this particular orbital? S no shape क्या हुआ, you all know. This is the nuclei and this is the S shape, right? And now P. These are the shape of P. Perpendicular. This is the P. Now what is exactly now mixing of S and P. Now what is exactly we can get like this. And here also. Like this. This is the straight way. This is called, and this angle is called 180 degree angle. So in beryllium, BE, here is F and here is also F, right? And this angle is 180 degree. In two hybrid orbitals overlap separately with p orbitals of fluorine to form a 2 BeF bonds, and shape of BF3 molecule is, therefore it is called linear shape, right? This is called linear shape. And exactly we are getting, it's a pictorial representation of BF2, I will tell you. This is the BE like this, and this is the BE molecules, and here F molecules, and also this is F and this is F, right? So this is the pictorial representation of BeF2. So this is called sp hybridizations. Now what is sp2 hybridization? If we have a example of BF3 molecules, right? In electron configuration of boron, electron configuration of boron in ground state is 1s2, 2s2 and 2px1, right? One of the two 2s electron get promoted into available of 2p y orbital. So beryllium in a ground state, one s2, 2s2 and 2p1, 2 electron here, 2 electron here and 1 electron here, and this is the unpaired electron. Now if we have a we have a ground state electron configuration, then 2s electron gets promoted into next vacant orbital, and next vacant orbital is 2py. So the electron configuration of boron in excited state टू एस नो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या वही जैसे 2p y में 2p x 2p y and 2p z राइट सो आनो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या जैसे 2p x में 2p y में 2p x पास तो ऑलरेडी एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है राइट सो दिस f मोलेक्युल्स क्या बोन्ड बनावशे एक पोतानो एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन आपीने अहींया बोन्ड बनावशे लाइक दिस सो BF3 so this is from F atoms એટલે આમાં એક S orbital અને બે P orbitals so this is called sp2 hybridization now there are 3 half-filled orbitals right 3 half-filled orbitals and each having odd unpaired electron, right? But they belong to different orbitals. To get equivalent bond, these orbitals to hybridize to form a new equivalent hybrid orbitals, right? Now there are 3 half-filled orbitals right and each having odd unpaired electrons but they have a different belongs to different orbitals and to get equivalent bonds these 3 orbitals hybridize and to form a new equivalent hybrid orbitals. Now in above case 1s and 2p orbital are involved to form 3 hybridized orbital. These 3 hybridized orbitals, right? And this type of hybridization is called sp2 hybridizations. It is a trigonal hybridization. It is in a shape trigonal, right? Boron from sp2 hybridized orbitals, these 3 orbitals lie in a one plane એટલે કે one plane માં lie કરે બરાબર lie in a one plane. Boron atom is a planar and they are directed toward this 3 corner of equivalent triangle so that angle between is 120 degree, right? How I can give you example.